welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me set up the latest version of ansible-lint. So let me create a Python virtual environment using Python 3-m for the module venv, and let's call it venv, the virtual environment. After creating, we need to activate using source venv bin activate, and once inside, the command line is prepended by venv, the name of the virtual environment. First of operation is to pip install upgrade pip, so pip is updating himself, and now we are ready to install all the software. So pip install ansible-lint, and automatically all the dependency will be solved. The download will be on the fly, and it takes as long as your network and your workstation will do it. In my case, it's not taking longer. This is the actual timing of my machine. We can also save the current package, the current dependency of Python in a requirements.txt file with pip freeze. In this way, we can reproduce this exact system. Okay, now ansible-lint version confirm that the program is installed. Latest version is 6.15. Be very careful, only this version has this feature, and we need the Ansible 2.14.5. I created this simple playbook that has some collection not using the fully qualified collection name, and as you can see, I'm also setting up a simple Git repository in the current directory. Let me commit so we will be more clear any changes from now on. Okay, so now let's start seeing again my playbook. As you can see, is using plain text module, ping shell, win shell, OpenSSL certificate temp file. Let me demonstrate the ability of ansible-lint. You might encounter this type of error if the version of Ansible core differ from the one in the system. Just simply deactivate the virtual environment and activate again. In this way, Ansible-lint will load the Ansible from the virtual environment and not from the system. Now it's taking longer to process this file, and as you can see, there are still some errors. In this case, if we analyze, there are 7 failures, especially most of them are full FCQN problem. Now we specify the option --write all to rewrite our playbook. And boom, we have from 7 failures, we have only 2 failures. And wow, we definitely improve. Yes, there are missing parameters, not perfect, but as you can see, it automatically solved the dependency and changed some module. OpenSSL certificate became X509 certificate. The others are prepended by Ansible-built-in. This is a tool that will going to save time in your journey. So Ansible-lint is not only validate our code, now is also able to rewrite in certain situations. It's far from perfect, so I created another playbook, fail.yml, with EC2_instance and mount module, and in this situation is not performing well. Using the same parameter is fail miserably because he has no idea where EC2_instance is in which collection it is. So it's far from perfect, but it's a good start. Thank you, Ansible team.